Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk you through a new assignment called What Really Happened During the Salem Witch Trials. I'm going to start on our Google Classroom page and look at the classwork tab. You'll see that there is a new assignment here called What Really Happened During the Salem Witch Trials. Mine looks a little different than yours because I have a teacher account, so just understand that yours will look slightly different. In order to complete this, I'm going to click on the link right here to ed.ted.com, and it's going to take me to the assignment that's been created specifically for your class. As you can see, lesson created by Susan Bray. And what we're going to be able to do is we're going to create an account with TED so we can do TED Ed lessons throughout the year. Now how you're going to do that is you're going to come up here to go to register. Everybody look up in the upper right hand corner. There's a place that says register. I need you to click on that. And then because our county is a Google county and we have Google Classroom, we're going to click on Continue with Google. Now at that point, you'll probably choose an account. I already have some accounts here. And you are going to put in your HCBE information. That is going to be how you create an account there. Now I've already created a teacher account with mine, so I'm going to use my home Google account to show you exactly how you progress with this. I've created an account. It's going to sign me in. There may be a small step that you have to go through to create an account, and then it's going to get you to this page. Alright, at this point, when you have that account and you're signed in, it is going to be able to inform me through Google what your name is to make sure that I know you have turned in your assignment. So what you'll do from this point is you have your video here on the Salem Witch Trials. It's about 5 minutes long. You'll watch the video. After you watch the video, you're going to go to the Think questions, where there are 5 multiple choice and a few discussion questions. You'll click on the Think questions and then put your answers in here. As you can see, there are 8 questions. After you answer each question, I need you to click Save My Answer. So I'm going to put in a test response, save my answer, and then I'm going to move on to the next question. I'll put in my answer after watching the video, save my answer, next question. And I'll do that all the way through until I get to the end of the assignment. But you, of course, will be putting your thoughtful, well thought out answers after you go through each of these. After you finish the Think questions, you're going to do one discussion question. And the way that you'll answer that discussion question is you will click on the hyperlink right here. Notice how it lights up. And out here to the side, you can see I've done a test response. You are going to click the word Respond. You're going to input your response, and then you're going to click Respond. I'll do another one as a test. And then you'll see it's posted my response there. I will be able to see your name. And that is just how easy it is. Now, once I do that, I should be able to see your responses. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. When you finish, watch the video. It's really interesting. And if you go through this process and you don't see your name appear right here, just do it until you see your name come up in that line. I'm going to delete my practice ones right now so you don't see that on yours. Okay? So you'll see that response go in right there, and that is how you guys are going to be graded for this. And then you will log out of TED Ed by clicking on Log Out, and then you're going to have a lovely day. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Email me at susan.bray@hcbe.net.